Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Duo displays the lid error message, the unit cannot detect that the lid is closed properly. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check the lid position. Open the lid completely and close it again. Line up the arrow on the lid with the unlocked symbol on the rim. Turn the lid clockwise until it clicks into the locked position. The arrow should line up with the locked symbol. If the lid won't click, remove it and try again. Step 2. Check the sealing ring. Open the lid and look at the silicone ring around the inside edge. If the ring is bulging, twisted, or not fully seated in the groove, the lid sensor cannot detect proper closure. Remove the sealing ring completely by pulling it out. Press it back into the groove all the way around. Make sure it sits flat with no bumps or gaps. If the ring is stretched or cracked, it cannot sit flat and needs replacement. I've linked official Instant Pot replacement sealing rings in the description. Step 3. Remove the lid for sauté mode. The lid error also appears if you try to use sauté, steam, or yogurt mode with the lid on. These functions require the lid to be off. Remove the lid completely, press cancel, and restart your program. Step 4. Check the inner pot placement. Remove the stainless steel inner pot. Make sure nothing is blocking the base. Place the inner pot back and press down gently. The pot must sit flat for the lid sensor to work correctly. If you still get the lid error after these checks, the lid sensor may be damaged. Contact Instant Pot support using the link in the description. If this helped you fix the lid error and start cooking, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need replacement sealing rings, I've linked official Instant Pot ones below. A fresh ring ensures the lid closes properly, and the sensor can detect it every time. Thanks for watching, and now you can lock it and cook it.